What is up, guys? This is 28 Sneakers here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to ice the soles of your sneakers using an icebox and the Salon Care 40 method. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now with these Air Forces, you can see the sole is really yellow, but with this method, you can actually get that all back to this original white color. Now for this icing tutorial, you're going to need three major things, one of which is this product called Salon Care 40. It uses hydrogen peroxide to help deoxidize the soles. You need some plastic wrap, and then you're either going to need the sun or like some sort of ice box, which I will show you in a minute. But in order to get this started, you can also buy this at like beauty retailers. It's a product meant for hair, but it actually does a really good job at deoxidizing these soles, which you'll see. But to get started, we're actually just going to use this brush right here and apply a thin layer all upon the shoe, and then we'll wrap them with plastic wrap. One thing to note is that also it doesn't really matter all that much if you get it on the upper. I mean, you want to try your best not to get it on the upper, but you know, through my experience icing soles, I never really had a big issue if I got some of the Salon Care on the upper. We're just going to place it right directly on there. And we're going to wrap these puppies up. Kind of just make sure you get it covered everywhere. Now this right here is my icebox setup. It consists of this UV light right here. It's like a grow lamp. And then we have this tinfoil lined box. And you kind of just set the shoes in like this. Put them with the sole facing upwards so the UV light can get onto them. And from there we'll just turn on the light. Get cracking. As you can see, we got the light going right here. These are the forces wrapped up. Trying to keep that as tight as you can on the shoes, but it'll come off kind of naturally. So, and now basically what we're gonna want to do is let that sit for about 24 hours in here, and then we'll take a look at them after that. To note is that if you don't have an ice box, you can actually just set them outside in the sunlight, and that will ice them using the sun's UV, but it might actually take quite a bit longer to ice them than the ice box method. Guys, so I just took them out after spending the night in the ice box, and you can already tell how much better they look. Like, that is so much whiter than they were. So next up, all we have to do is just kind of scrub off this Salon Care, and let's get to that. Alright guys, so we got the Air Forces right here. We're just gonna take off this plastic wrap now, throw it in the trash, and then I just got a brush here and put a little bit of soap on it and just gonna scrub all that off. And then we'll grab a towel. Just gonna wipe them down. And that right there, guys. That is how you ice them. Overall, I'm super happy with how these turned out. They basically look brand new now, besides this creasing. And you know, that's definitely something to consider. If you got some yellowed sneakers, you can definitely bring them back to life. So other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.